Right now we're actually headed to go pay my tags. Bro, you guys won't believe how much my tags are for the Supra. You just won't believe it, bro. It's so expensive. It's literally a car payment. It's insane. I'll let you guys guess right now in the comments. Guess. You guys don't want to guess? Yeah, I figured. Bro, my tags are $702 to be exact. Shit is crazy, bro. I didn't even know tags could be that damn expensive, bro, just to drive your car. Yo, and believe me, just look at that. 702, bro, that is crazy.
A few moments later.
So I just paid my tags and that hurt my wallet so bad. That makes it all worth it. So I don't know what we're gonna be doing today. I just felt like picking up the camera and vlogging, or at least starting the vlog. So I just wanted to go do that, go pay my tags and all, and then right now in a couple of minutes I have a haircut appointment. Gotta go get a haircut because this Saturday actually I'm having my Friendsgiving. I'm having all the homies and everybody pull up to the crib and we're gonna all just feast, you know what I'm saying, and just chill, hang out, watch some UFC fights and all that. So should be lit. It's gonna be dope. We do this every year. We have our friends just come pull up and eat, chill for Friendsgiving, you know. Just be thankful for all our homies and everybody that we got together. You know, eventually one day I'll have all my car homies and we'll have a Friendsgiving, you know. Like different friend groups and all that. So I have my friends and then my car friends and all that. It'll be sick, bro. One day. I just gotta build that circle, and then once that circle gets built, you know what I'm saying? Little by little. Oh, what is good, guys? It has been some time. It's been a couple of days since I picked up the camera, and right now we're actually about to head to a car meet. Yeah, so it's the same people that actually hosted a meet back in Santa Monica, and they are collaborating with a ramen spot. So we're gonna see what's up, see if it's popping and anything like that. See if I can get you guys some content of some dope cars and all that. And possibly eat some ramen. We'll see what's up. So we just got here, got front row parking with the Bupa right here at this ramen spot. But look what's right here, bro. This beautiful S15, bro. Look what just pulled up behind us. Some nice E30s behind, very clean. This is dummy nice. Good thing this ain't far from my house. It's local, so that's why I pulled up. But it's pretty sick. About to go check out the other lot over here. Some more cars. This thing is clean. The Type R. That thing's sick. Got the blue Subi. Another Type R. This one is really clean. Another Subi. GR hatch. Is this the homie Nelson? The homie Nelson came through? What the fuck? I'm surprised he's here. Yeah. Pretty sick. But he got his mini truck swap. This thing is sick. Bro, I haven't seen homie in a minute, bro, if I'm being honest. Damn. Whole drift build. Pretty fucking sick. But damn, I'm pretty sure he's eating right now. But I haven't seen homie in a minute. It's so sick to see homie outside. This one's clean. I like the little light emblem he has in the front. It's just sick. We got more over here, another WRX. Nothing too crazy, it's still early right now. It's barely like 7, so we'll see if more cars pull up. It's only at 7 and the meet just started. Nice. This pink one right here, I ain't gonna lie to you, this is pretty nice, bro. The white wheels on there, I like. These are nice though. This looks very clean. The pink I actually like. Nice. The Big Wang. I'm a fan of the Big Wang. I'm a fan. I like it. Picasso. So we got two different styles. We got this side with the Big Wang, or we got this one with the STI wing. I'm a fan of the Big Wang. Not gonna lie. I like the Big Wang, but this is nice too. It's like very subtle, and this is like boom, aggressive. You feel me? Nice, SoCal Subi, that's clean. And the white one next to it with the carbon fiber. You guys saw this one roll in? This was pretty sick. Not even gonna lie to you, this one was sick. That's it, this one's fire. I like the fenders on this. Nice. The side skirts. The rear fender. Probably a whole kit, huh? I just don't know it. But it looks sick, I like it, sir. The Subis are growing on me, bro. I'm starting to like the Subis now. I mean, I've always wanted like a Hawkeye or a Bug Eye, one of those when I was younger, but I just didn't end up getting one, you know. But a Subi build would be dope. Not gonna lie, Subi build, WRX. Who knows? I love the way that front end sits. Stupid clean. I fuck with that. Really clean. Man. So we came inside the restaurant now and we about to munch. We got some California roll. They're known for the ramen, but we got some sushi just because we want it quick and fast, you know. We just here to chill. But we got the boy Beefs, you know what I'm saying? But we here waiting on our sushi and our edamame. The garlic edamame. I'm a fan of that, but let's see how it is here. We're gonna find out. So we just ate here at Ramen Isakaya. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't even know, bro. But shit was gas. I mean, I tried the sushi and the edamame. The edamame was busting. I ain't gonna cap. Next time I want to try the ramen. Cause I didn't try the ramen, but I'm gonna try the ramen next time. Cause the ramen looked gas, but I just didn't want to wait too long for the ramen and everything like that. But we're here, chilling. Everybody's leaving. Got the boy B's. We're about to dip out too. Cause yeah, it's getting late, and your boy got work in the AM. Yeah, cool little meet. Not too crazy. Nice little turnout, but didn't know what to expect, so that's why I just pulled up and see what we could get. But nice little turnout, not crazy. Supra is looking good. It's glistening. What do you guys think about the pink purple headlights or DRLs? Should I change it back to yellow or something? It's so hard to capture it. Should I change it back to yellow or white? I think it look kind of cool like this.
This is my Supra, y'all. You know, stay tuned. I just got the BBS wheels for it, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go lower, but I be scraping though, you know, so I'm trying to get carbon fiber like top, carbon fiber trunk and everything, you know. But yeah, man, this is my Supra, you know.
Man, shut the fuck up. First of all, you call them work wheels BBSs. Crazy. I wish they were BBSs,
yeah,
first of all.
You know you
I wish they were. I don't got that type of money, though. Super woo. Sounds nice. It sounds nice.
A4.
What is good, guys? We are in the garage. It has been a couple of days since I picked up the camera, but I didn't want to end the video so short, so we are going to a night meet right now. Me, the homie Beeves are gonna meet up, and then we're gonna roll up over there. I need to put some air in my tires because I've been saying that it's flat, so I need to air up. So that's what we're about to do right now. It should be pretty simple. I've done this. We're gonna turn this on. Pretty sick how this works. Shout out to LA's Fit. Or Last Fit, however you want to say it. There you go. Screw it on. Reads it at 30. We'll get it to 39 and we'll be set. Nice little like wireless tire inflator, which is pretty dope. Shout out to Last Fit for that. They sent me that, and shout out to them. Whoa. There you go. We're gonna go to this meet. Supra is looking pretty rough, bro. It is dirty. I have bird poop on the rear right here, but I just don't have time to clean it right now. I'll probably wash it after the meet, if anything. But yeah, kind of running a little late. It is what it is. It is dusty though. Don't let it fool you. It's catfishing y'all right now. And look, this thing's pretty fast. It was at 30 and it's already at 36. So it does it pretty fast. It has a full battery life right now, so it does it pretty fast. Probably did it in like 3 minutes already. It's been like 2, so not bad. So I'm right here waiting for the homie Beeves, that jackass. He's getting a car wash over there, like in that corner where I was pointing at. I'm not, because yeah, I just don't want to get one. Not right here. I'd rather just get at that Walton car wash I always do it at. But yeah, he decided to get one right here. But my car is dusty though, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But it's gonna rain on Monday and Tuesday apparently. But usually when it rains, I don't even drive the Supra just because I'm on R888s and I don't want to be, spinning everywhere, bro. Yeah, I'm sorry. This video was supposed to be up like probably the beginning of this week, but I just didn't have enough footage. It was only like 7 minutes, and to me that just kind of felt short. I felt like I could have been just a little bit longer, so that's why we're going to this meet to get some more content. Hopefully it's lit. A lot of BMWs. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a lot of BMWs. The only BMW that's not there is that jackass Beeves, because he has a Challenger. And I have a Supra, but technically it's a BMW. You guys already know this. We don't have to go over that. So yeah, we're just waiting on that guy over there. I thought that was him for a second, but I was like, wait, that's not his color. He's about to come right out. There he is. There's the jackass. Yeah, wipe down your car, you jackass, and hurry up. Yeah, wipe it down. You wipe that down. Oh, hell no. He's having a little too much fun wiping down his car. Alright, so the first spot that we went to at some parking lot, all the entrances got blocked off like by security, like they just kind of closed it down and they put ropes up to every entrance. So we came to another parking lot, but I don't think this was gonna last either because it's there's no parking, and yeah, I just don't think it's gonna last here. Bro, that shit's loud. There's a homie. Chill, bro. This shit is so loud. The homie left. The M4CS is so clean. Chill. The homie left. M4CS fucking sick. This shit is clean, bro. Everybody needs to chill. That shit is so loud. Hoppe. What's good, Hoppe? Chillin' or what? The M4CZ? M4CZ?
Good to see you, man.
You too, G. How you doing?
Shit, good, bro. How are you?
Chillin'. Yeah, bro. Homies M4CS looking clean as always. But this shit is so loud. So clean, though. You guys seen this on the channel before. But, yeah, but it's always nice to see it. Shit is clean. So we ended up doing our own little photo shoot right here. So we got the Ralphs mixed up. There's another Ralphs closer to the homie Big G's house, but this one's also close to his house. So we assumed it was this one, but it's funny that he thought this one was the Ralphs he was talking about too. But this is a dope ass spot right here. Hell yeah. Damn, that's hard, bro.
So welcome back to another Clips channel. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to the last channel, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. Well, the same channel, but the last video, you know what I'm saying? Much love. We just out here chilling at the Ralph's video, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. We just getting some video shoots in. Let's go. Like the boy Clips right there. Got the boy Blue right there. Look at that dude. That dude putting in some work. Look at that. We just getting some fucking content in. We about to go to a car meet right now. Hey yo, we just chilling out here, bro. Come on now, bro. With the fresh cut. Look at that. Fresh cut. You know what I'm saying? Hey, say what's up to the YouTube channel.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Let's
Hey,
go,
everybody.
baby. Yes, sir.
Trying to just make it out the hood, man.
Hey, wait, exactly what he said. We just trying to make it out the hood, bro. Come on now. Woo, wait. Come on now, boy. Shoo. This shit clean. Shoo. Just getting that content in, getting that lighting in. Yes.
Ultimate blue balls right here.
Hey, bro, shit, the Honda Ultimate.
Yeah, bro. You can't get any more blue than this.
Look at this dude. Hey, but this shit looks clean as fuck though on the lighting though. Look at this shit. Ooh wee.
What?
Alright, now that we finally ended our little photo shoot, we're finally going to the actual meetup spot. Alright, so we're gonna go to it. We got the wrong route, so hopefully we get the right one this time. So we should be meeting them all up there. But yeah, we're probably a little late. We're having our own little car meet, bro. What are you doing over there? Yeah, jackass. And as you can see, bro, homies are already doing donuts and all this type of shit, bro. Oh, hell nah. Yeah, we parking on this side, bro. We parking on this side. I'm going with left. Hell nah. Look at this shit, bro. Fuck all that. Yeah, me and Lev, we over here. We going to the smart area. Let's go this way. Look at that shit, bro. They're just swinging it over there. Oh, hell no. Bro, what is wrong with these dudes, bro? I knew it was gonna get ratchet, bro. I just knew it. Everybody left, though. Everybody left the meet. Fuck. We made our own little meet right here. Pull up. The M340i, you guys seen this one? Big G's M340i, but I was telling them I just noticed how the white lights right here, like, I didn't notice those white lights at first. And I think that's sick. Oh, like this, you can see it right there. It looks sick. Nah, that shit does look bright though. It's good, it's right? Glistening. Hell yeah, looks good. Show car ready as for. Damn, looks good in the dark right here. Jeez. But yeah, we got a little too ratchet. I think everybody dipped it in that spot already. We can even hear the cops, but we don't know if they're pulling up here or not. Yeah, she got ratchet real fast. Oh, the cops are here. They just started pulling up. That's crazy. Cops just pulled up to the parking lot right here, and I'm pretty sure people are gonna start dipping fast. Uh-oh. Cops are starting to pull up every corner now. Alright, and everybody is heading out. Peace out, big dog. Big G out of here. The homie Lev out of here. The homie Big Beeves is out of here. Everybody dipping. We're calling it a night. You heard? We ain't calling it a night. It is Dunzo, bro. We didn't unfortunately get to go to the meet because it got burned out. Literally, bro. Literally burned out. It literally got burned out. Yeah, peace out, big dog. Peace out, vlog. Peace out. You look like a cholo, bro. We got the homie Beeves. Everybody out of here. Oh my god, bro. So I was trying to end the vlog, guys, and the cop was behind me, bro. He was trying to get on my ass, but thankfully, Beeves, he called me and it gave me like the reason to pull over real quick and just pick up the phone, and he drove past me. But I know, bro, if I didn't pick up the phone, he probably would have pulled me over, bro. Oh my god, my heart dropped to my ass, dude. Like, oh, I thought I was gonna get pulled over, bro. I swear I didn't do nothing, bro. I didn't do nothing. We were just chilling and parking, you know. But yeah, bro, headed home. Gonna end the vlog here, guys. Crazy night. Didn't really get to go to the meet because it got burned out, literally. But yeah, insane. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, be part of the family so you guys don't miss out on the insane content. And more things yet to come. But this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.